we have a purpose for our life journey, we also have a couple of purposes in today's journey. Okay. One. Okay. We want more energy from this team.
Okay.
Yes.
1, 2, and 3. Chakde! Hats have to be on. Hat has to be worn. If anyone finds anyone not wearing the hat, the team gets one warning. There is no second warning. The second time someone is seen not wearing the hat, the team is disqualified.
Cricket specifically all the best. It's an immediate thanks. You are right out of the force and you are very good. Merchant.
Chakde! What did you get married? Ask them to marry someone else.
I was not little late to tell this.
I can't help it. I keep telling this at least if someone who's not. Yes. You're the gold medalist, no? Okay. Very close to them, warriors. Warriors, very close.
Good evening everyone, my name is Falish Jain. I am in JL 22 batch. I visited business simulation workshop. It was a good experience. I have learned a lot. The majorly I have learned is how to take decision, how to manage my time, how to identify my mistakes and to grasp the days which are given, and it was a good experience and we enjoyed a lot and we played games also, and the task was given with a time duration, how to manage that into a 25 days working. We have done that and the sir have given us a good training that was really impressive. Thank you very much Welingkar to give us this experience.